There are moments in life when the weight feels unbearable. Moments when the nights seem longer than the years you've lived. Moments when you look up and ask, why me? And it's in those moments when your heart breaks, when your spirit trembles, when your dreams feel shattered beyond repair, that destiny is whispering, this pain has a purpose. You may not see it now. You may not feel it now, but one day, you'll understand why it had to hurt this much. Because every tear you cry is watering the soil of your future. Every disappointment is carving strength into your soul. Every heartbreak is chiseling the stone that will one day reveal your greatness. You see, pain isn't the enemy. Pain is the invitation. It's the voice that says, rise up. You were built for more than this. But oh, how easy it is to doubt that truth when the world around you feels like it's falling apart. How easy it is to believe that the suffering means you've been forgotten. How easy it is to think that the silence of God is the absence of purpose. Yet hear me, silence does not mean absence. Delay does not mean denial. And heartbreak does not mean you've been abandoned. Because when life takes everything from you, when it strips you of your comfort, your confidence, your certainty, it is not punishing you, it is positioning you for a strength you would never have known without the struggle, positioning you for a peace you would never have found without the pain, positioning you for a purpose you would never have touched without the breaking. Every great story starts in darkness. Every diamond begins in pressure. Every soul that shines was once shattered. And I know you might be asking, why does it have to hurt this much? Why can't it be easier? Because if it were easy, you would never grow. If it were painless, you would never discover your power. If it didn't shake you to your core, you would never rise to your calling. You see, the very pain that you're trying to escape is the one thing that's preparing you. It's teaching you empathy for the broken. It's building patience for the journey. It's refining your faith, not by what you see, but by what you believe, even when sight fails. One day, you'll look back on this moment, and the tears will make sense. One day, you'll realize that what felt like punishment was protection. That what felt like loss was actually direction. That what felt like an ending was the birthplace of a new beginning. But right now, I know it hurts. And when it hurts this much, all logic fades. You don't need answers. You just need hope. Hope that tomorrow can still rise. Hope that joy can still come from ashes. Hope that even in this valley, there is something sacred growing inside you. You were never promised a life without struggle. You were promised strength through the struggle. And that's why the pain creeps. And that doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're transforming. Think about it. The seed must break before the tree can rise. The cocoon must crumble before the butterfly can fly. The night must fall before the dawn can shine. So when everything is breaking, when everything is crumbling, when everything seems to be falling apart, maybe, just maybe, something beautiful is being born. Because greatness is not found in comfort. It's found in endurance. It's forged in the fire you thought would destroy you. Every scar tells a story of survival. Every wound becomes a lesson in grace. Every heartbreak becomes a bridge to someone else's healing. And that's why you can't quit. Not now. Not when the pain is this deep. Because the deeper the pain, the greater the purpose it's preparing you for. You may feel forgotten, but you're not. You may feel invisible, but you're seen. You may feel empty, but you are being filled in ways you can't yet comprehend. The things that broke you will one day build you. The people who left you will one day look up to you. And the same world that mocked your weakness will marvel at your strength. But before that day comes, you must hold on. Hold on when it doesn't make sense. Hold on when your heart feels hollow. Hold on when the only thing left to do is breathe. Because breathing is still believing. And as long as you have breath, you have purpose. You are not here by accident. You are not walking through this fire for nothing. There is meaning in the pain, even if it's hidden for now. One day, the pieces will fit. One day, you'll see how the heartbreak shaped your heart. One day, you'll thank the mountain for making your faith strong enough to move it. And on that day, you'll whisper to your past self, "Now I understand why it had to hurt this much. Because that pain taught you compassion. That heartbreak taught you strength. That rejection redirected you toward destiny. So, don't curse the breaking. Bless it. Don't fear the valley. Walk through it. Don't resent the silence. Listen to what it's teaching you. For even when you can't see the light sees you. Even when you can't find the way is being made. Even when your heart is shattered, it's still beating. And that means you're still chosen. You are chosen to rise again. Chosen to keep believing. Chosen to become the miracle that pain tried to bury. And one day soon, when you stand tall, when your scars have become your strength, when your story becomes someone else's hope, you will realize that the pain was never wasted. The tears watered something divine. The heartbreak humbled your heart for greatness. The loneliness prepared you for real love. The failure trained you for victory. Everything you thought was working against you was secretly working for you. And that's the beauty of this journey. What once made you weep will one day make you worship. What once broke you will one day bless you. What once silenced you will one day become your greatest song. So don't despise this moment. Don't run from this season. Embrace it. Learn from it. Let it mold you into the person you were always meant to become. Because the truth is, purpose often hides behind pain. Destiny often wears the disguise of difficulty. And the crown you'll wear tomorrow is being shaped by the cross you carry today. You may not understand it now, but one day you will. One day you'll look back and see that the heartbreak was holy, that the pain was sacred, that the tears were worth it. And when that day comes, when your soul finally finds peace in the story that once brought you pain, you'll smile through the memory of your suffering and say, it hurt, but it had to, because it built me. And in that moment, you'll realize the pain didn't come to destroy you. It came to deliver you. It came to awaken the fire that comfort could never ignite. It came to show you what faith really means. It came to remind you that even in the dark, you were never truly alone. One day, yes, one day, you'll understand why it had to hurt this much. Because what was meant to break you became the very thing that made you unbreakable